My dear brothers and sisters, welcome back to the evidence base that we have produced in dealing with non-communicable diseases, bronchial asthma. Once the paper went up, then the Gaya publishers in London, they said, yes, we want to bring this holistic vision, integrate approach of yoga therapy to all different ailments. Can you bring about a book? And we worked for 2 years with them, and a beautiful book was brought out, Yoga for Common Ailments. 18 different non-communicable diseases were dealt with, and we developed the integrated approach of yoga therapy. The basis contained in our Shastras called as the Panchakoshas. Man is not merely the physical body, but he has got the Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnana, Anandamaya Koshas have been brought forth, and the whole cause of all these entities starts in the Manomaya Kosha as Adhi, comes down to the physical body as Vyadhi. They are called Adhija Vyadhi. Unless you remove the Adhi, you have no solution. That's why the modern medical world, which deals only with the physical body, the Vyadhi, the symptoms of the disease, cannot give a total solution. That's why once a diabetic, ever a diabetic. Once you have hypertension, it is for your life. Once you have cancer, your days are numbered, have come to pass. But yoga deals with the root cause of the disease and can normalize. And that's what we have been able to show. This entire integrated approach of yoga therapy has been put forth in the beautiful book called Yoga for Common Ailments, and it was published in 1986 in the Sydney and London and then New York. 3 places it did. Later on it went into 8 European languages, and it has started to become a textbook for all the yoga therapists to use this total approach of yoga, integrated approach of yoga therapy we call, and thereby people can start using that effectively. So it gives you a total dimension based on the basis of our text, of the yoga text, Shastras we have in the Upanishads and in various yoga texts like the Padma Yoga Sutra, Hate, Pradipika, Gherindra Samhita and other things. All this knowledge has been put forth and brought to the forefront to deal with these modern challenges. This is how the university is growing, to unravel the mysteries that are contained, the secrets that are contained in our Yoga Shastras, to bring the benefit to the society at large. This is what is needed. Therefore, to make yoga a socially relevant science has been the objective of this university, and using modern scientific research, combining the best of the West with the best of the East, we have the solution. And that's how we are growing, and I wish you well, and please come and join this big movement that's taking place in this country to unravel the mysteries and bring the Indian wisdom base to people at large. Dhanyavad.